MotorWeek is made possible by Lucas Oil and TireRack.com.
Wheels are one of my favorite things when it comes to modifying a car, simply because they can change the look of a car so much. But how do you know which wheels are right for your car? One of the first things you need to understand when picking new wheels is your lug pattern. This wheel has a lug pattern of 5x100, and you may be asking, what is that? Allow me to explain. The lug pattern is a 2-number system. This is the measurement of an imaginary circle formed around the lug nut holes at the center of your wheel. The first number indicates how many bolts or lug nut holes the wheel has. The second number is the diameter of an imaginary circle around the lug nut holes. If you're not sure about your lug nuts or what your bolt pattern is, check your owner's manual. Next, you'll need to understand how to figure out the size of your wheel. For example, this wheel here is 18 by 9 with a plus 22 offset. But what does all that mean? The first number you will always hear when referring to a wheel size will always tell you the diameter of the wheel. The first number for this wheel is 18, meaning the diameter of the wheel is 18 inches all the way around. The second number will tell you the width of the wheel, or how wide it is. This wheel is 9 inches wide, which is measured from lip to lip. These numbers are important because they are the 2 numbers that will help determine what size tire you will need to purchase for your new wheel. The last number is known as your offset. But what is offset? The offset of a wheel is the distance from the hub mounting surface of the center line of the wheel. The wheel's offset is measured in millimeters. This results in a positive, negative, or 0 offset. A positive offset is when the hub mounting surface is towards the front of the wheel. And a negative offset is when the hub mounting surface is towards the rear of the wheel. A wheel with a 0 offset will place the mounting surface of the wheel in the middle of the wheel. The offset will determine how far a wheel may stick out on a car, so picking the correct offset is important for good fitment. Now that you have a better understanding of what those numbers mean, you're ready to pick the right wheels for your car to get that perfect fitment. If you have any questions or comments, reach out to us right here at MotorWeek.